Hey, what's up, beautiful people? It's your girl Tiffy, and welcome back to our Full Face Fridays. Hey! And you guessed it, we've been playing in all this makeup. It is time for us to finally do a facial. It is time for a facial. So, welcome back to Full Face Fridays. This is episode number 4, and let's hop into that video. Hey, bitty. Oh. Alright, so as I said in the intro video, you guys can definitely click on the link over here if you want to go ahead and review that. I did say that I wanted to do facials on Full Face Fridays as well, not just makeup. So, and to talk to you guys about some skincare. So today's facial is going to be from Roth. They have a lot of skincare products, but definitely a lot of different facials. They have the gold mask, the green mask, the black mask, the pink mask, all these different masks. But today we're going to do the pink one because I love roses and I've just been feeling in a flowery mood. So we're going to do that. So today's facial is going to be from the Roth line. They have tons of facial. They have green facials, black facials, gold mask. They have this one, obviously. They have a ton of facials. Anyway, but today we are using the Rose Stem Gel. And it is, I'm just going to go ahead and read it to you guys. It's cutting edge plant biotechnology, and it isolates and replicates the perfect rose stem cells for maximum anti-age repair. It has 5 rose stem cells that are blended with 4 rose extracts in a cooling, rejuvenating gel to help stimulate cell turnover for a younger looking skin. Directions are to apply to your clean skin, allow it to remain for about 10 minutes, and then rinse it with cool water. And you guys can use it 2 to 3 times a week or daily for intensive repair. This is actually a very gentle mask for your skin, so you can use it literally every day. And I'm just going to go ahead and slip it on. I'm not going to make you guys sit here and watch me for the whole 10 minutes. Well, maybe you will. I'll talk to you for the 10 minutes. I'm going to set a timer. But, yeah. And it comes with this little thing. I'm not sure this is how you're supposed to apply the mask, but I know that a lot of the masks that I've started to buy come with, like, applicators, so I just assumed this might be an applicator for me. And it works. But I'm pretty sure it's not because after the gel starts to get low, I don't think it's even going to be able to dip in there, but maybe it will. Whoops! Maybe it will. It's very flexible, so it might be able to. I just got out the shower, y'all, so my skin is all clean. I'm just applying a thin layer all over. I did not say that I had to avoid the eye area, so I am going to get in there and make sure I get some in my eyes, but I'm probably not going to use this applicator just because I want to be as gentle as possible in my eye region. And when you're wearing makeup, you want to definitely, as it suggests, at least 2 to 3 times a week, you want to give yourself a facial, because otherwise you're packing your pores with all sorts of things, and you aren't giving your body what it needs to make sure that you're replenishing those cells, or giving them their nourishment, or giving them everything that you need to give them after you block them from the sun all week. Because the sun gives us vitamins, excuse me. But, too much sun isn't good for you either, so that's why we have all these different things to block out the sun. Umbrellas, clothes. Well, if I'm being legit, sun block, specifically. I grew up, we were using suntan lotion, so we were asking for the sun. They're like, come on, baby, just don't burn me. And I think I talked to you guys about this before, but I'm not sure if I cut it out that video. But when you're applying things to your face, if you're going to use your fingers or your hands, you want to use your pinky and your ring finger, because they have the least amount of tension when you're rubbing your face. So they do the least amount of pulling on your skin. So that keeps you from getting wrinkles fast. Okay, so it's on. So I'm going to start a little timer. Just a moment to go get my eye pad. I'll be right back with you guys. God, I'm so shiny. I feel like I look younger already because I look like a baby spawn. I look like baby oil all over my face. I need to get my hair in it. But yes, because I was talking to you guys about self-love and taking care of yourself, I definitely wanted to get back to the Full Face Fridays and start right off with some self-care, some self-love, which is putting on routines, or making a routine to put on facials, wash your face, moisturize your face, do those things, drink water, and take your vitamins, because those definitely help you. I don't know, I won't take it for granted, I know because of my mom, but everybody doesn't take vitamins. But There are hair, skin, and nail vitamins specifically for your hair, skin, and nails to make them look wonderful. And they make your nails grow very fast, they make your hair grow, and they make your skin heal a lot quicker. And they make it healthier so you don't really have all those pimples and blemishes and stuff going on. So, something to think about when we talk about self-love. And if you guys didn't see that video, I'll leave that link up there for you as well. And you guys can check out that video also. I was talking for at least a minute, so I'm going to put my timer on for 9 minutes, and I'll be right back. So guys, I'm back. I don't know how many minutes I left. I just know that I started a timer on my iPad. And I wanted to talk about the mask while it was still on my face. It feels very cool. Like, it feels very, temperature-wise, it feels very cool. Like, I was reading it, and it was saying cool, but I didn't really think that it was going to feel so cold. Like, it feels very cool. I like it. And I'm just waiting for the time to go off. I'm waiting for this alarm to go off. I thought it would go off while I was on with you guys, but since it hasn't, I am going to go do something while I have this face mask on. Oh, that's another benefit of the face mask. See, you can take care of yourself and still go do stuff. Look, I'm recording the video. I'm talking to you guys right now. So there's no reason why you can't take care of yourself. Okay? Remember the self-love. I told you challenge yourself. I meant that. You can definitely find ways to take care of yourself. There's always a way. You might think something's expensive, somebody finds a way to get it discounted for the lowest low. Okay? So if money is the problem, there's a way. If distance is the problem, there's a way, because distance is still money. Get a ticket. If time is the problem, maybe you gotta take some time to prioritize and see what's most important. Seriously, think about that. Outside of that, again, I'm going to go see what I can get into, maybe eat something. I don't know how much time I have, that's why I'm like, is this timer even on? Like, let's see. Oh, it literally just went off. So I'm going to go rinse this off and I'll close out the video. So I'll be back with my clean face and I'll tell you how my face feels after I rinse it out. So, my review is that I absolutely love it, okay? Peter Thomas Roth, like I said, they have the green mask, the black mask, the gold mask, purple, pink, all sorts of different masks they have. They're all amazing. And this one is supposed to help you be youthful. And I do feel, even though I am young, guys, I do feel like my skin is feeling a little bit more bouncy and looking brighter and a little bit more rejuvenated. So I am feeling like I'm looking younger and more youthful just by using it. So you guys let me know what you think in the comments below. If you like that video or you like this video, make sure you smash that like button. If you love the video, make sure to subscribe. And I post videos every Thursday and Friday at 10 p.m. Yes, y'all, it's the nightlife. If you don't like it, then let me know in the comments below and I'll think about changing it. Outside of that, guys, let me know of the masks that you guys have tried. Maybe I'll go out and buy some. So let me know of the masks that you've tried. Let me know of the masks that you would recommend. And let me know of the masks that you tried that you don't like so I can stay away from them as well, okay? But yes, join me in the comment section below as I start our discussion so we can talk about more facials, of course, because that's what this video is about. Or, of course, we can talk about self-love. We can talk about self-care, whatever you guys want to talk about. Just join me in the discussion below and I'll be there with you. Outside of that, guys, thank you for tuning in. I love you, superstars. Hey, it's the Rising Star all day, every day. Tiffy coming at you in the best way. Hey, Full Face Friday. I hope y'all enjoyed it. If you did, like I said, smash my like button. If you loved it, smash that subscribe button. Join the team. Hey. Alrighty, guys. That's all. I'll see you next week. Next week, I'm gonna be cooking. Gonna be cooking some chicken with some artichoke in the middle, wrapped in bacon, baby, bacon, baby, bacon. Yes, you heard me right. It will be chicken wrapped in bacon. Well, artichoke, cheese artichoke dip wrapped in chicken, wrapped in bacon. That sounds really good. My mouth just watered. So, y'all join me next week, Foodie Friday, for that. Love you guys. See you next week. And next week, Thursday, that's a surprise. So just tune in. Bye. Join me down below and I'll get it started with the flow. Hey, you see me, here I go. I got the rap bars and they call me Mo. Told y'all, I be freestyling my life away on these Fridays. I'm telling you, it just be randomly popping out of me. But I'm so grateful for it. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Jesus. Yes. Anyways, outside of that, guys, I always tell you guys, if you like the video, smash that like button. If you love the video, definitely subscribe. I post videos every Thursday and Friday at 10 p.m., baby. So join me. Yeah. Outside of that, I love you all. I wish you all the best and prospering in life. As I said last week, my Tiffy gang. Tiffy gang, hey. But yes, the rising star. Shout out to all my superstars. Join me on TikTok. Join me on Instagram. Join me on Snapchat. I'll leave all of my information down below. But thank you guys for tuning in. I love you all. And I wish you all a wonderful weekend and a wonderful next week. Thank you. Bye. Hey, you. Yes, you. Click right here. This is my subscription bubble. Yes. And that is how you can subscribe. Also, you can check out my playlist. Yes, y'all. Do it. 1, 1, and 1. Enjoy. Bye-bye. See ya later.